My fundamental argument with you and a lot of people is when you look at these apps that sound like a fucking fruit, most of the people, when they go on there and review, they go and say, समझ में आ गया, यही वाला बहुत अच्छा लगा, यही बहुत अच्छा लगा, यही बहुत अच्छा लगा. They'll go for the one thing they understand and they'll keep picking on that.
See, some people know what they like. Some people behave they like everything that others don't like.
That's also true.
So,
Hey, if you want to sponsor us, I'll say it's good.
I don't know who said life's a bitch and then you die. But lying down on a beautiful beach, sipping cold beers is my way of dealing with this pandemic. Susagat style. I even managed to convince Shanky the Happy Forker to join me here in Goa.
Season 2 in Goa meant fish, meats, and a whole lot of booze. With the both of us there, I'm sure we're gonna revive the economy one plate at a time. Here's to the best goddamn food guide to Goa.
तुम लोग क्या चूतियापा करवा रहे हो हमारे से?
this is the intro, outro, everything. We are at Mom's Kitchen. We have come here to eat. Cut. We are at Mom's Kitchen. We ate a great meal.
Cut. We are at Mom's Kitchen. We don't wait for reservations. We barge in. The reason we are here is because every list has Mom's Kitchen on their top places to visit. We also spoke to a lot of friends who are in the food business and they said, you must go to Mom's Kitchen.
Some said don't go to Mom's Kitchen. Are you mad you're going to Mom's Kitchen?
Yeah, and some said, you must go to. How can you not go? You're in Panjim, you must go. So we'll find out what happens. Hi, Suzette. Sid, Shanky. We are slightly pretending we haven't spoken, but we did speak for a few minutes on there with Odette. We have zero expectations. We don't know what we're getting into. And we are brutally honest. There's no hidden agenda here. We want to learn. We want to understand certain things. What I have a feeling from seeing the menu is you're taking a little bit from here. This is like a gateway into many things.
But we are focused only in Goan cuisine. That's the Hindu way, how it is cooked, and the Catholics, how they cook.
So you're representing both.
Both.
Just doing my research, I found the prawn curry was something obviously everyone was talking about. But suddenly here, you have said your red meats are something that are
So I'm all about the meat now.
Would love to try a pork sorpatel and have sannas.
4.4 rating on this app. I can't mention the app. Right? No mentioning. Pay us, please, and we will mention you. Not for free, eh? So, what do they say you gotta eat? No, really?
They like.
Yeah, but that's like coming. I want tandoori chicken here, right?
Peri peri is like a starter, you know. It's like basically a starter.
That makes-
They like that because it is that masala.
it goes with alcohol.
उसको बोलो ना जाके तंदूरी चिकन खा के आएगा. पेरी पेरी मार दिया मेरा. Seriously?
Prawn peri peri.
He wants me to order prawn peri peri. I will not like it, but I'll order it.
I definitely want to try the sausage pulao.
Amade sasa, sausage pulao, shak amotik. I'll make the red one for you guys.
Yeah, okay.
Red one.
Why must you eat peri peri everywhere? It's like a Gujarati lands in Alaska and says थेपला का है.
किधर भी जाता है घर से लेके जाता
जब तक अलास्का पहुंचेगा खत्म हो जाएगा. कैरिबू की गांड खिलाएगा उसको. Wrapped in थेपला. कैरिबू नु थेपला.
है ठेपला wrapped curry, like bacon wrapped prawns.
Oh, sounds good. थैंक यू. ये प्रोड्यूसर का कांड है. मेरे को पेरी पेरी खिला रहा है.
Nice, huh? The prawn is slightly chewy. But the masala is interesting. There's a haldi, there's a coconut in the tisrio. It reminds me, for some reason, of a burji.
Tisro burji.
Nah, tisrio burji.
It's a complicated dish to eat here. If you're very drunk, you can't eat this dish. You'll break your teeth.
But you don't bite into it, no? Just suck onto each one.
You know this better than me.
This is a good beef, bro. Very well made, bro. It's not tough to bite into. This so far has been my killer dish.
It's a marriage of East and West. Anglo-Indians, Goans who are working in either in the houses of British officers or the messes, and also cruise liners, etc. They were staffed by them. So there's this influence that has gone back and forth. Some of the pieces have some extra bite.
Yeah, I like it.
My crown is trying to decide if it's going to pop out again or not. I'm losing the kingdom in my mouth.
Oh, that sopotel's come out really nice.
This is one of my favorite things in Goa, this sanna. Sanna and sorpatel, man. That sweetness really complements the chilies.
Yeah.
And that smokiness of it.
Yeah.
And the gaminess of it. So, I like this more than everything else so far I've had.
No, my roast beef is still my number one. Plus some plain rice to cleanse the palate. Some gyan someone gave me about that. Neutralizes the flavor and all that.
Hey, I'm half Kashmiri, I never heard that, but only half Kashmiri. The other half forgot to tell me. I'm a man of all states. 10 nations. Citizen of the world.
Citizen of the world. Oh, the amboti one chatpata, bro. One I will go.
Is this supposed to be had with red rice better or white rice?
No, you prefer it with red rice. That's it.
Oh, Goan style? Okay.
One I went like that.
Nice. Oh, it's got nice some heat. For the acid, they use tamarind or yeah. That's where the sweet is coming from, the tamarind, and that grainy sour is coming from the kokum. Yeah.
This shall be tried with the pickle. Mackerel pickle.
It's probably quite strong for you. I'll try. I like
Too much
this.
vinegar and all that for me.
So pickle, you have it with a lot of rice, you get a little piece. Oh,
This dipping with the bread was not the smartest idea.
I would come back with this again. I really like this.
This is like, an appetizer.
What was the three-thing combination? Was which one? Ambade.
Prawn curry.
Prawn curry,
And the
rice. So you can have rice any one, but with that.
With this.
Yeah. The
Ambade.
para, that's the pickle,
This one, and this one.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm used to slightly softer prawns. These are slightly tougher prawns compared to what I'm
But
used to.
this curry is very different. I don't think anyone makes it here. Like they don't. They make the normal curry,
Ah,
Yeah, orange curry. Orange curry.
Yeah, this is not correct. That definitely
This is the
differs.
Hindu way they would have in their homes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the ambade is very nice.
Yeah.
It's also nice flavor too.
Mix it a little bit with that pickle.
That's what I'm doing.
Wow. Good.
Oh yeah, the fruit by itself has a very different flavor.
Yeah, it has got slightly more mango-y.
हाँ. क्या बात है यार, अलग-अलग flavor आ रहे हैं एक ही dish में से. On that note,
Alright, stop talking to us. Let's just keep eating.
Let us eat even more.
A small part of me died when I heard peri peri because it's got fuck all to do with Goan cuisine, but it's everywhere. This man has a perverse pleasure in seeing me suffer the indignity of eating shit that should not be on a menu. We ordered it. I was correct. It was not good. So the only thing we are going to do, the movement we are going to do now for outro is, director, please.
Change the angle, please.
So that was a wonderful meal.
Wonderful meal. Oh my God, that was so
That
good.
was so good. That peri peri, feeling it right in my
But a great meal overall.
great
Yes,
meal.
the meats were
Fantastic
really
meal,
good.
Super good, everything good. Some of the food.
Prawns are not
for
so
us.
good.
Yeah.
The fish ambotik was really good. Only fuck up seems to be the prawns. Both the dishes are prawns, no. But meats, yes. Poi, yes. The Christian side, great. The not so Christian side, the ambotik fish side, great. So yeah, I think overall pretty kick-ass. Mum's Kitchen. Sausage pulao feels a lot like our crew right now.
Yeah, it's a mixture of everything.
It's only sausage. We have 8 people sitting and staring at each other's sausage.
Okay. Great outro. Gender equality fail. If you want me to eat more peri peri, please like, share and subscribe and tell that fucking little bell over there. Thank you.
It's somewhere there. We don't know. Somewhere there is a bell.